Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Oh hey, welcome to my little vlog. I haven't actually been vlogging today because I had a day off once. Friday evening, has been at uni all day, so she's finally back. I got this really cute delivery from Joe and Seth, which is like a gourmet popcorn brand, and they messaged me on Instagram and wondered if I wanted to unbox their advent calendar. Oh my God, so and seeing as me and Hat did the glossy box one the other day, I thought we'd whiz through quickly. They sent like a little note and just cuteness. And I didn't realise they did so many different popcorn flavours. So, it's double-sided. I had a little peek earlier. Look, it's double-sided. It like opens up.
Wow.
Woohoo! Merry Christmas from Joe and Seth. So it's all this side.
Can we eat them now?
And all this side, yeah, if you want to. And all this side. So we're gonna open it up. We've got to find them all. So number one is here. I did actually peek at number one earlier, but that's it.
No, I can just.
How does a popcorn dance? It body pops. Fuck's sake. So in the first door we've got orange chocolate gourmet popcorn.
And just in case you were wondering, there's like, it's popcorn in here, it's little tasters. It's not like, you don't pop it, it's
actual popcorn.
Fully formed.
Fully formed popcorn. Number two. Caramel and Belgian chocolate popcorn. Raspberry cheesecake popcorn.
It's beginning to
look a lot like Christmas. Christmas everywhere we go. Caramel and white chocolate. Banoffee pie.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Double chocolate.
Double chocolate caramel. Number 9 is toffee, apple and cinnamon. Oh, 10's down here. We've got classic caramel gourmet popcorn. 11. Here we go. Here's
there
the
we
little
go.
Joe and Seth's gourmet popcorn.
You know someone who loves popcorn.
Yeah, that's a cute little gift. Even Hippo.
Yeah.
Hippo loves popcorn. Yeah, that was our little unboxing. Thank you very much, Joe and Seth, for sending that over. We were really happy when you messaged.
Yeah. If Tiffany's want to send that advent calendar,
yeah.
See that? It was like £3,000. Like, I sent you the tweet.
Oh yeah, I need to look. I haven't looked on Twitter.
No, read it out.
If Tiffany's want to send us their £3,000 advent calendar,
I just made up £3,000. It cost £112,000.
Oh shite!
It has 24 sparkling. Look, it's got drawers. It weighs
112,000. 3,000. You thought it was 3,000.
I just made it. I knew it was in the thousands.
Oh my god!
I was thinking, surely it can't be anything more than that 3,000. Imagine if we go halves, we'll keep half. We'll have 12 products each.
Imagine if you could just be like, oh yeah, I'll just get that this Christmas.
Or imagine if like
112,000.
Your like boyfriend gets you his advent calendar.
I'll be like, you dumbass, what have you done that for?
I don't even want all of this.
Good afternoon and welcome back to the next part of this vlog. So over the past couple of days I haven't vlogged because I've been like really stressed about uni and like just getting work done and stuff. But I've actually managed to send off my project list, which I'm really happy with. I'm just fingers crossed hoping I get my first choice in my dissertation. Otherwise I think I'll be so annoyed and like upset. But yeah, I've just come to Cafe Nero. I'm actually in here for a couple of hours before my boyfriend arrives at the station. He's coming around this weekend, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, I'm just drinking my cappuccino. It's actually delicious. Like, I always forget how good the cappuccinos are in here. I'm just doing some work. I'm doing assessment prep for my oral assessment in a couple of weeks' time. I've got all of my questions up here and my expert witness statement, and we're basically getting questioned like as if we were in a courtroom. So I'm just prepping all my answers, and then for the next few weeks I'll be learning them all, which is very intimidating, but I've got this. Just a little bit nervous, you know. Being questioned just doesn't sound very nice, does it? Good morning. So I actually didn't vlog much yesterday. I literally only vlogged in Cafe Nero. I basically finished preparing for my assessment that I've got in a couple of weeks' time, if you could hear. It was quite loud in there. Yeah, so I've got an oral assessment, me questioning me on my lab notes from last year and my expert witness statement from last year. So it's going to be a bit intense, but yeah, I basically just need to revise all the questions, make sure I know everything off by heart. Now I've got everything written down, I just need to sort of like go over it and over it again. So I'm glad I've done that in advance. Aiden's here, he's just over here. Aiden's come around for the weekend, which is really nice. So I'm glad I got all that work done beforehand. And yeah, and I also submitted my project list on Friday. So fingers crossed to get my dissertation project choice. I really want my first choice, otherwise I will be so annoyed. But yeah, we're gonna go to Cozy Club in a bit for some food, for like a little bit of brunch. It's Sunday, did I say that? I don't know. It's a nice chilled Sunday. We're gonna do some bits in town probably, and just have a nice day. So we just got to Cozy Club. We're just chilling in this little area by the bar whilst we're waiting for a table. We're only waiting 15 minutes, it's not too bad, which is quite good on a Sunday. Look how pretty it is in here. So we've just sat down, me and Aiden have got hot drinks. I've got a latte, I've got a cappuccino, and we're just waiting for our food. I've got pancakes coming and I'm so excited. I also got cider sweet potato fries, which is kind of weird, but yeah, and Aiden's got a curry, haven't you? Me and Aiden are finishing Cozy Club. The meal was delicious. Aiden highly recommends the curry, right?
The vegetable curry.
Yeah. Now we're in H&M because Aiden needs to get a stock up on some joggers, correct? I got, oh yeah, I showed you my little beanie that I got from the Nottingham store. I haven't showed the vlog yet though, I need to do that. That is what my nightmares are made out of.
I wish the hem was a bit more ripped.
My nightmares are this top. If anyone wants to know what I see in my nightmares, this is what gives me panic attacks in the night. Those tops. Anyway, for some reason it's super busy in H&M. I'm assuming because it's Sunday, like everyone comes to H&M on Sundays or something.
Surface Earth.
It could be worse. For some reason the Lincoln H&M is so clapped compared to the Nottingham one. Like me and Carrie found so many nice things in Nottingham earlier on the week. I really like these hats. My dad always wears them. They really suit you.
What?
No, look. They really suit you.
Do you reckon?
Okay. Let's go find your joggers then. So me and Aiden were just in a shop called Neon Sheep that has recently come to Lincoln, and I'm actually obsessed with it. Like I think it's so good for like Christmas present ideas. Aiden's just utilising all the weird random like little knick-knack things in the shop, and they have like loads of like cool different like knick-knacky bits inside, like sort of like Tiger but a little bit more pricier, but it's less tacky, if you know what I mean. There's like loads of cool like homeware bits, like it's loads of good stationery.
A tablecloth.
Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely worth looking into if you're in Lincoln. I know Hattie said there's one in St Albans, I think it is. We're going 200 degrees. But yeah, St Albans apparently have one, and Hat always says how much she loves it. So yeah, yeah, highly recommend. It's very good for Christmas gifts, I think. So many different bits and bobs in there. Like Tiger, like I said, if you want to spend a bit more money but also get better quality items, then definitely head to Neon Sheep. Cute. And they look like they had really cozy like bras and like tops and stuff as well. Like they have a lot more variety in there, I think.
It's a lot less like, you know, like the Tiger has like that cyclic thing we have to like, go around the whole shop.
Yeah, yeah, it's like easier to maneuver around the shop as well, whereas like Tiger forces you to look at everything and forces you into needing stuff that you don't want. So yeah. We're just gonna go to 200 degrees and do a bit of work, I think, aren't we? And I still don't know what the hell is going on here. If anyone knows, let me know. I know there's gonna be a cinema at the top though. That's all I do know.
No.
Yeah, we're getting a cinema at the top over there, like one of them posh ones, whatever they're called. Yeah, 200 degrees, here we come. You know, the ones that you like get served in? Like you like sit on like sofas and shit and like, or beds, and like people come and serve you food during the film. So me and Aiden have been in 200 degrees for the past couple of hours. We're gonna leave probably soonish, I'm assuming, unless you need to do anything more. Yeah, I think we're gonna go home and grab some ingredients on the way because we want to make some banana bread, because I basically had loads of bananas. I stupidly bought them in our food shop when I wasn't really at home a lot this week, or like I wasn't really around enough to eat the food basically, all the fresh food. So we're gonna go make some banana bread so we don't waste the bananas. And I also thought I'd mention that I've been like prepping loads of blog posts from my Bali trip. So if you're into like travel blog posts, then definitely check out my blog. I need to start getting back into writing again because I always forget how much I love it. I've been slacking a little bit on the blogging front, so yeah, I've been doing some stuff about my Bali trip, like best smoothie bowls and best smoothie places to go to in Bali. Also like 10 reasons why I'm returning to Bali. We definitely will, I think me and Aiden will at some point, because there was so much more we didn't even see. So yeah, but for now we're gonna go get some ingredients for baking. We just got back from town. I'm just gonna do a little haul. 2 packs of my favourite rice, because we're gonna make like tofu and rice tonight. Got some wholemeal rice from Tesco's. It's like Tesco's own. It's actually my favourite. Like I prefer it over the flavoured rice because I'm boring. And then got some light brown sugar and some cooking chocolate because we're going to make like marbled banana bread, I think. Which will be fun because I haven't baked in ages. And considering we've got a whole cupboard full of baking stuff, I feel like we should need to utilise it a lot more. So we're going to make banana bread first because we're not that hungry because we didn't eat that long ago. And we got really full from Cozy Club. Also went to Oxfam because they do like lots of like hand-me-down books and stuff, and loads of like uni students from Lincoln and stuff always put their like educational books into Oxfam. Like I swear every year I go, we always leave with something. But however, I didn't find anything like forensic related. Like from first year I found like a forensic toxicology book that I ended up buying for £3 in Oxfam, and the actual book is worth £80. And I'm actually doing like a whole toxicology module, so it's so worth looking into like charity shops and stuff because people give in their like educational books and you can get them for super cheap. I bought this book. It's like an anxiety, like mental health book. And it's called Lightly by Francine J. And it says how to live a simple, serene and stress-free life. And she has like loads of like tips. You probably like these.
Oh, nice.
I thought it was cute. And it was only £3. And it was actually published this year as well, so I'm expecting this to be like quite expensive. Do you want to mention your bookings? Okay, Hat's also took a plunge. Is that the right saying? No, you don't. You look cute. Hat's also taken a plunge and made like an Instagram account. What are you saying it is? Like a book Instagram page?
No, I just anything, just photos.
Just like just a little fun Instagram full of photos that she wants to share whenever she wants, rather than like her personal account. She's just using it to share fun photos of life, and it's called Hattie Reads Books, right?
Yep.
So go follow her, because she's really nervous about it, but she shouldn't be. She should be proud of it. Aiden followed you. Yeah. You see? Yeah. What, Aiden, do you want to show your book?
Do you want to show your book account?
No, his book that he bought at Oxfam. Do you want to show it?
That's cool.
Okay, no, he's embarrassed. But I'm just going to go for a week because I'm going to be myself. We've just got the banana bread out of the oven. It literally looks incredible. It's just a tiny bit burnt on the top. It looks worse on camera, doesn't it, look?
Oh yeah, for sure.
But yeah, the marbling didn't really work as well as it did last time. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, look, you can see the steam coming off. It literally looks amazing. It smells so good. We're just gonna wait for it to cool down because it's starting to crumble a bit too much. It's also vegan as well. I always follow the vegan BBC Good Food recipe, and it is so good. Oh, I want to eat some. Yeah, I always follow the BBC Good Food vegan banana bread recipe. I sometimes add a little bit of oat milk if it's a bit dry, because I find that the mixture gets quite dry, and obviously you don't want to use cow's milk if you're making it vegan. So yeah, it's absolutely peg. Like, I can't wait to dive in. I can't believe how like burnt it looks on camera. Can you? Oh, and then like banana's really like hot and steamy. Oh, it feels amazing. Oh, me and Aiden are gonna make tofu rice and just tofu and rice, I think. We're gonna have spring rolls, but I threw them away. So I got far from the week. Also obsessed with TikTok. I haven't mentioned that yet. I'm scared I'll get unsubscribed. Don't worry, I won't be making TikToks anytime soon. Are you okay? You're being cameraman. Come on in. Let's go see what we've got in here. No, I'm joking. Okay, so this is our little pile of banana bread. It literally tastes unreal. I'm just about to call Hat down because she wanted to eat some whilst it was warm, so. Hat! The warm banana bread's ready for you! Look, oh my god, it actually like, banana bread does something else to me. It really does. So me and her just chilling. What are you doing?
Huh?
You actually vlogging? Me and her just chilling. I'm just about to find some event outfits for some events that I've got later on in the week. We're just discussing future business plans.
That's that. Alright, I'm stopping now.
I really love this. Look.
Shane just sort your chains out, bro.
That's very nice.
Your ice. Gold chains
My
looking icy.
my iced out rolling.
Boy, hold on to your wifey.
Right, so I am just about to do some editing, and then we're going to go downstairs. Me, Aiden and Hat are going to watch Maleficent. Megan's away this weekend back at home for family party and stuff, so we're just going to chill, probably watch a film tonight. Yeah, but yeah, so I'm going to do a bit of editing and stuff. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Sorry if it's a bit dodgy. I know I've been filming bits and pieces over the past few days, but I have been really stressed and stuff from uni work. But it's all good now. I'm back on track and I've had a really good couple of days with Aid. He's staying another day, which is fab. We'll do some stuff tomorrow, but yeah. Banana bread was really good. I'll leave the recipe down below as people on Instagram seem to really want to know more about that. I always use the BBC Good Food vegan recipe and then just like make a little few alterations to suit our needs. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you very soon for another vlog.